What is the product of these two binomials? Now, product means we're going to multiply. We multiply the numbers and add exponents of the same base. Okay, but when we have two binomials like this, 3x plus 2 and x minus 7, we either have to make sure to distribute both parts, the 3x to both parts, as well as the plus 2 to both parts, get 4 different terms, or use the box 3x plus 2 and x minus 7. Okay, and we'll do both. We'll start with distributing, and then we'll move over to the box to do that as well. Okay, so if each of these is a multiplication problem, 3x times x. 3 times 1 is 3. X times x, adding the exponents, I get x to the second. Okay, next. 3x times negative 7. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21, and bring the x along with you. Okay, now it's 2. 2 times x, one's a number, one's a letter. All we do is put them together. And lastly, 2 times negative 7, which we know is negative 14. Okay, now before we finish this up and get one of the trinomials up here, let's do it by the box method. We're doing the same thing. You keep looking up and left to fill each square. 3x times x is still 3x squared. 3x times negative 7 is the negative 21x. 2 times x is 2x, which is positive. And 2 times negative 7 is still negative 14. So it's still the same 4 terms. The only difference is that now when it comes time to combine like terms, if you use distributive property, your like terms are in the middle. If you use the box method, your like terms are on a diagonal. But either way, in both cases, the 3x squared has no like term. These x terms, negative 21 plus 2, regardless of which way you did it, is negative 19, and the term stays the same, because at this stage, you finished multiplication, you're just combining like terms, and the negative 14 has nothing to combine with. So either way, this is the trinomial that you get when you multiply two binomials.